Do you wake up every single night to pee, even if you barely drank anything before bed? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone, and it's more than just a nuisance. That broken sleep, the constant pressure in your lower belly, and the daily exhaustion that follows are signs that something deeper is going on. And most men never connect the dots. I'm Dr. Isabel Lopez, a urologist specialized in prostate health with over 25 years of clinical experience. And where are you watching from? Drop it in the comments, and stick around because I have a surprise for you at the end. Let's talk about what's really happening. Nighttime urgency, or nocturia, isn't just about what you drink. It's often tied to how your body handles tension and stress, especially in the pelvic region. This tension silently builds up, disturbing your sleep and putting added pressure on your prostate and bladder. Here's what most people don't know. The way you breathe might be making it worse. Shallow, upper chest breathing sends signals to your nervous system that keep your body on high alert. And this tension travels down to places you wouldn't expect, tightening your pelvic floor and irritating your prostate. In this video, you're going to learn 2 simple breathing techniques that naturally release that pressure. These exercises can help you sleep through the night, reduce the urge to urinate, and bring much-needed relief to your prostate, without medications or side effects. Follow the channel so you don't miss more natural solutions like these. Ready to discover what's really going on beneath the surface? Let's take a closer look. Inside your body, there's a quiet team at work: your diaphragm, your abdominal muscles, and your pelvic floor. These 3 areas move together with every breath when things are working right. But modern life disrupts that harmony. Shallow breathing, constant stress, and hours of sitting all create hidden tension in this system. When you breathe from your chest instead of your belly, your diaphragm doesn't fully expand. This leads to stiffness in the lower abdomen, and that tension presses down on the bladder and prostate. It's like squeezing a balloon from the top. Pressure builds up exactly where you don't want it. Stress only makes things worse. When your body stays in fight or flight mode, your sympathetic nervous system stays activated. That state triggers muscle tightening, especially in the pelvic floor. The result? Increased urgency, more nighttime trips to the bathroom, and a restless, fragmented sleep cycle. But here's the good news. Your breath is also the key to reversing this. Deep, diaphragmatic breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the one responsible for calm, digestion, and repair. It's like flipping a switch inside your body, telling your organs and muscles to relax. Many men don't realize this connection until it's too late. They chase pills, limit fluids, or suffer in silence, never knowing that changing how they breathe could reduce pressure on the prostate and calm an overactive bladder. It's a small shift, but the impact can be profound. And that's exactly what we'll explore next. Because once you understand the real function of diaphragmatic breathing, you'll see why it's a powerful and natural solution. Let's break it down step by step. Diaphragmatic breathing isn't just a yoga trick, it's how your body was designed to function. When you inhale properly, your belly should rise as the diaphragm drops, making space for your lungs to expand. This simple motion also creates a gentle downward pressure that naturally relaxes the pelvic floor. Think of your pelvic floor like a hammock. When you breathe from your chest, the hammock stays tight and rigid. But when your breath deepens and drops into your abdomen, the tension eases. This softness can reduce the irritating signals that trigger the need to urinate, especially at night. This is why deep breathing before bed can change everything. It shifts your nervous system into rest and repair mode, softens the muscles around your bladder, and helps your prostate feel less compressed. The result? Fewer nighttime interruptions and deeper, more restful sleep. Let me share a quick example. One of my patients, Louis, age 58, started doing these breathing techniques for just 5 minutes each night. After 1 week, he went from waking up 3 times per night to only once. He didn't change his diet. He didn't take any supplements. Just 5 minutes of focused breathing before bed. Before we dive in, I want to share something special with you. I've created a 21-day challenge designed to help reduce and prevent prostate enlargement with simple exercises you can do in less than 15 minutes a day. Don't wait. Grab your copy of the ebook right now. The link is pinned at the very top of the comments. Stick with me until the end, because what I'm about to share might truly change your life. And don't forget, I've got a surprise waiting for you at the very end of this video. Let's put this into action. The first technique is called controlled diaphragmatic breathing. Lie down or sit comfortably with one hand resting on your abdomen. Inhale through your nose slowly, counting to 4. Feel your belly rise. Then exhale gently through your mouth, counting to 6. As you breathe out, focus on releasing tension from your lower belly and pelvic floor. Repeat this for 5 to 10 rounds. Each time you exhale, imagine the pressure melting away from your prostate and bladder. The extended exhale helps your nervous system shift into a calm state, preparing your body for a restful night. Now for the second technique, pelvic floor visualization breathing. This is ideal right before bed. Close your eyes, turn off the lights, and lie on your back. As you breathe in, feel your belly rise. As you exhale, gently imagine your pelvic floor, the area between your sit bones, softening and dropping downward, like a flower opening. To strengthen the mind-body connection, silently say words like relax, release, or let go as you exhale. This mental cue deepens the physical release. With practice, your body learns to associate this breathing pattern with safety and rest, reducing nighttime urgency. You don't need to be perfect. Start with just 2 minutes tonight. Place one hand on your chest, one on your belly, and simply notice where the movement happens. The more your belly rises, the better. Over time, you'll naturally breathe this way, without even thinking. Consistency matters more than intensity. These are gentle, internal exercises, but they send powerful signals to your nervous system. And when done regularly, they can retrain your body to stop overreacting to minor bladder pressure. Ready to try it for yourself? Let's move on to the final step, because how you breathe tonight could shape how well you sleep tomorrow. Join the Members Club. Drop a super like, follow the channel, and leave a comment, because this is just the beginning of what your body can do when you breathe with intention. Breathing happens automatically, yes, but when done consciously, it becomes a tool for deep healing, especially for your prostate and bladder health. Most people never think about their breath unless they are out of it, but now you know it's a powerful lever. Each inhale can create space. Each exhale can bring softness, and the more often you practice, the more natural it becomes to stay relaxed, even in the middle of a restless night. You've seen how shallow breathing creates hidden pressure, how tension in the pelvic floor can make your bladder overly sensitive, and how a simple breathing habit, done daily, can retrain your nervous system and restore your deep, uninterrupted sleep. So here's your challenge. For the next 7 nights, practice these techniques before going to bed. Just a few minutes. Then track how many times you wake up. At the end of the week, look back and compare. You might be surprised at how much changes just from breathing differently. And I want to hear from you. Tell me in the comments, what did you feel? How many times did you wake up? What changed? Your story could help someone else realize they are not alone and that natural solutions really do exist. Share this video with someone who's struggling with nighttime urgency and has no idea that better breathing could be the answer. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more simple, natural strategies for men's health. Your body knows how to heal. You just have to give it the right signals.